here. This is going to decide whether most of us stay with the Ultimate or cancel the Ultimate. I have never gotten my boxes this quickly before. So I just got 2 days ago the Plus and now the Ultimate. And here it is. Now I was not impressed when I saw spoilers. So then again, I saw spoilers for the Plus and then I was pleasantly surprised. So let's see what we got going on here. Now we have the right bag. Look at this. This is a much bigger bag. It is a nicer bag. Was something in there? Nope, I knocked something down. Karen moment, as usual. Here we are. This is the bag. Okay, I do like this bag. It is nice. It is bigger. And let's take some things out and fill her up, shall we? All right. I don't think this one came with a card last month. It probably is never going to come with a card. Yeah, probably not. Okay, so it does have a card again, but it does not have the prices. So this is the card here. It shows you everything that's in there. I am super not happy about the Wander palette. It was one of my choices, and I did not pick it, and yet I got it. Okay, Panda Eye Brightening Mask. Hydrates and soothes. Gets rid of dark circles, all that stuff. So that is the first item I see. Then I see the Wanderlust Rush eyeshadow palette, which I don't like. I did not like the last one that I got, so I'm not really excited about this one. The colors just didn't blend very well. I'll probably save it for a giveaway, which, by the way, I'm getting quite a bit of stuff that I'm not using in these boxes to give away again. All right. Here it is. Let me show it to you. Here are the colors. I'm not going to swatch them. It looks pretty. All right. I did rip the box a little bit, but that's okay. So the mask and the eyeshadow palette. Oh, look at this. Juice Beauty. Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. Gee, isn't that what I just got? Or is this something different? All right, wait a minute. This does... All right, I'm confused. Hang on. Where's my boxy? This was the one I got. Oh my god, it is the same thing. Except for one's an eye treatment and one is a booster serum. Okay, so this one's just for the eyes. That's the one I got in boxy. This one is for the entire face. I do like the little... pump here. That's kind of neat. So anyhow, this is what it is. So we got Juice Beauty. This has got to be expensive if the other one was like $50 or something, I think it was. All right, I hate dry shampoo. And that's what this is here. Let's keep going. This thing is huge. Confidence in a Cleanser. Oh, Kayla's getting ready to have her dinner made. She's not happy. Okay, I wasn't really crazy about their cream that I got in Luxe, but the cleanser I'm always down for trying. Skin Transforming Hydrating Cleansing Serum. Gentle for all skin types. So that is a huge size. How many ounces? 5 US fluid ounces. Okay, so we've got that. Another moisturizer, Youth to the People. I really thought that this was going to be bigger. Superfood Airwick Moisture Cream, Kaolin Spinach Hyaluronic Acid. Okay. Oh my god, look how tiny that is. Yep. Okay. Can we say sample? Definitely. In this box, you're supposed to get 4 samples and 8 full-size products? Is that right? Yes, that's right. Ipsy has got me all messed up. We get this tiny little eye cream and then this big nail polish. Okay, Bite Your Kiss is the color, and I did request in my profile that I never get these, but guess what? I've got one, and it is a pretty color, so I guess I'll be trying it out. Then we have the Gigi Gorgeous, the Blush Duo. Let's see. I recently got a lot of blushes, so I'm not going to swipe this, but it looks beautiful, and I do like this. Camera's not doing it. There's a shimmer. The lighter one is the shimmer. And then you've got your your matte shade, but it looks gorgeous. I'm not, like I said, I'm probably going to wind up using it for a giveaway, but I've got so many blushes open right now, so I'm going to go ahead and put that aside. I see a concealer brush, which I like brushes. It's cool. All right. Then we've got Satin Dream Leave-In Cream with Caravis and Argan Oil. So this is a detangler for the hair. And it's by Eva, New York City. I'm not really impressed with that brand in the past, but we've got a full-size contour stick in Brazilian Bronze. You okay, Kayla?
I'm doing her hair. She doesn't like it.
Oh, cute packaging. It's magnetic. This is the color here. I'm not going to swipe it because I don't know if I'll use it. And then there's a brush on the other end, which is neat. There it is there. So that you're blending. I like that. That's actually really good for on the go. I definitely like that. I think that's neat. But like I said, I'm not sure if I'll keep it. So, now the last product that we got is this Best Sellers Brow Kit. Now, I do like brow products. Very much so. Let's see what is all in here. It looks like a complete kit. Ooh, okay. We've got the smudge brush. It's a flat brush. Then we've got, this would be your highlighter, I believe, or your, it's the, yep, concealer and highlighters. Concealer on one end, highlighter on the other, which I do like. I think that's pretty neat. Now, I am going to swatch just a little bit of this. This is the concealer side. Let's see. Okay. That's the concealer side. That's the highlighter side. Kayla! Okay. So here is the brow pencil. You've got the spoolie on the one end to brush your brows. And then you've got a really nice tip, but I'm not going to swatch this because I have too many brow products open right now. So that looks neat. And then you've got brow gel. Same thing. I'm not going to open it because I have so many. But this, I am confused. It says Universal Brow Pencil. How do you get one of those? You've got to have different colors and stuff. It's not like you could just use this on any color brow. Very weird. So I'm a little confused about that. But these 4 items came in this brow kit. Obviously, this is full size. Let's put all those back. Just to recap. Then this here, which is your contour cheek stick. Then you've got the blush. So you've got these items here. You've got this tiny little moisturizer. You've got the full-size cleanser. The full-size dry shampoo. The sample-size conditioner, leave-in conditioner. The full-size Stem Cellular Juice Beauty Cream, which is probably very expensive, to be honest with you. And you've got the eyeshadow palette, the mask, what else? This big nail polish, and this concealer brush. So those are all the items in the Ultimate. Now I want to know, did you get the Ultimate this month? Are you going to keep it? I honestly love this skincare, and I think I might actually keep this one more month. I'm not happy about the nail polish. That's huge, and I don't really use nail polish. And I don't like that I'm going to have to look up the prices if I want to. I am pretty certain, though, like I said, this has a high value. I know that the other one in the BoxyCharm had a $50 value, and that was just the eye cream. So this one has got to be more expensive than that. And I paid, what, $50 for this, or $54 or something like that. So with this bag being that, this in itself is definitely worth it. And I do like the blush and the bronzer stick. So I think we're okay. But that's all I have for you. That's the Ipsy Ultimate. I want to know exactly what you guys think. So put it in the comments below. Did you get the Ipsy Ultimate? Do you regret not getting it? I mean, last month was like the whole Betty Boop October theme was a mess. So I'm much happier this month. with both the bags, but I want to know what you guys think. So thank you again for joining me for this video. I appreciate you guys so very much. If you have not, liked and subscribed, and then I will put a few of the giveaways that I have going on in here. And then be sure to check out my Boxy versus Boxy. Just got that. Still waiting on the premium. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.